Hello guys, hi and welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's Nasto here, and today guess where I am? Yeah, so I'm in this multi-million mansion for the one and only I Am Marwa, from the villages of Africa, conquering the worlds and all over. So I Am Marwa is a YouTuber, a content creator that has inspired many youths. He has shown us that everything is possible as long as you put in your hard work and you stay on the lane of your dreams. So today I want to show you a house tour of this ongoing mansion here. It's one of a kind in our village, yeah. So it has come from a very young guy that has inspired most of us to maybe to dream even bigger and to have a positive mindset, and to see that once you have maybe a goal in your life and you have that determination, everything is possible. You can see he has employed over very many guys here are earning a living out here. You can see like that one over there. They're doing very many things. Yeah, so this is Nasto here. So let me take you to a house tour and show you that truly this is a very big mansion. Well, so I'm with my friend Maja here. Maybe he can say hello. Hey Maja.
Hello, hey guys.
Unfortunately, he got an accident. You can see he's walking on crutches. And he accompanied me to this mansion of I Am Marwa to just show you what is going on here. So you can see on this side here, Marwa kept his promise of not cutting down this iconic tree that he was saying that he cannot cut. And the guys here are really doing a great job. Let me show you what is really going on here, yeah? Well, so you can see the guys here are on work. They're trying to build the walls, and down here is a place where he said that there will be just a free area for guys to come and maybe have like parties. You can see it is still being held by trees, and guys are really doing a great job. You can see Maja is trying to climb here, but he's somehow injured. Well, so this is the area here. You can see guys are really doing a great job out here. Niaje baba, like this one over here. Guys are really doing something great here. They're trying to show us that everything is possible, yeah. So you can see the foundation. The construction is really going on very, very fast, at a fast rate, because I think Marwa has maybe some plans to finish this building in time so that maybe he can move in. We don't know his plans, but I think it's a really nice area. You can see they're really doing a great job out here, trying to make the walls, maybe later on paint the walls, and trust me, this building will be one of a kind in our area. Well guys, truly there's a beehive of activities in here. Every guy in this building is busy doing their part, trying to complete this multi-million mansion in time. Everyone out here, both the women and the men, are really trying their best to do what it takes to put in all their energies to build this multi-million mansion. I Am Marwa is a guy that is determined to maybe finish his goals in time. So up here is just like a balcony where maybe if you come to visit Marwa, you can just come out here and chill and just have maybe some fresh air out here. It's a very nice view, a very amazing view. Like I've shown you in that video out behind, guys are really busy inside here trying to put plasters, complete walls, and yeah, it is because he has also created job opportunities for maybe the guys in our area here. The local guys are really happy. They're happy that maybe this guy here has brought them this opportunity to come and maybe earn a living. You can see even the economy of the country right now, even all over the world, things are very hard, and finding maybe a job that can give you something small has become hard. And just imagine Marwa here has employed so many guys here, and they're earning a living. I did not want to shoot most of the guys doing their work because maybe I will have interrupted them in their duties, but I just wanted to show you that truly this building here is going on very well, and very soon I hope Marwa will invite us to come and maybe party in here after this building is completed, guys. Well, what I can truly tell you guys is that this will be an amazing mansion here, and hopefully, like Marwa said, you can save up, start saving as early as possible so that you do not miss maybe the grand opening of this house. Well, have you been inspired by this project? For me, I have really been inspired, and kindly leave a sweet comment down below and maybe leave your thoughts about this project. Has it inspired you in one way or the other? Leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to like this video. You can also share this video with your friends and even your family. Maybe they might get also inspired. Well, most of the rooms have been completed with the plastering, so they were a bit dark. I did not go inside them as I had said earlier, and yeah, so this is the progress. Well, the compound also is very spacious. I believe maybe he will put some swimming pool out here. It's spacious enough to hold as many visitors as possible. Well, it was amazing visiting this site just to come and see for myself the progress. Thank you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and thank you for those people that always come back to watch my videos. I appreciate you, and I don't take you for granted. Goodbye, and take good care of yourselves.